Amavubi of Rwanda are trying to organize themselves. Ange Mutsinzi, Chikazimana up front. Togo pushes it back and puts it out of the field of play for throw-in. Throw-in quickly executed onto goalkeeper Kwizera. Kwizera finds Besenge. Besenge with a long drive of the ball up front, which rolls into the waiting hands of Aigba of OTR Football Club of Togo. The Togolese organizing themselves. That's Ajali. Ajali to Bode. The Rwandans come up there, succeed in picking up that one, and referee says it's an infringement advantage. Togo. That one quickly executed by Ismail Agoro. The Togolese with a series of interpositional passes. Amekudi, who plays for Tito Football Club of Lumé. The Rwandans pick up that one. If they succeed in controlling, he turns around and does it beautifully. Prefers to make a chip of the ball backwards. Emwe Besenge. Besenge Mutsinzi. Besenge Rashid Kalisa. Besenge finds Imashimwe. Imashimwe comes up with a run. He chips it over to number 14 shirted player Biringido, who looks like the master planner of the Rwandan side. He was the one who served that beautiful kick onto marksman Tunyisinge, who lost it for his side, who did not exploit it appropriately. Free kick to the Togolese. Sparrowhawks of Togo. A kick of the ball up front, intercepted by the Rwandan defense. The Togolese pick up that loose one. The Rwandans smarter. Besenge over to full defenseman Mutsinzi. Mutsinzi kicks the ball up front. Rwanda picks up that one and crosses. Another opportunity for the Rwandan side. And a good cross of the ball. The Togolese, Agoro, is proving himself to be a pillar in the Togolese defense lineup. The Togolese closing in now on the Rwandan goal area. He kicks and he hits at Rwandan. He deviated. Opportunity now for Rwanda to organize a counter-offensive. This is an exploit.
Mbega ubushyuhe n'ibyishimo muri stade z'igihugu, twese ko tungana dushyigikiye ikipe yacu Amavubi. Dora abafana ngo barogeza bigatinda kakahava. Ni byiza kubona uko bakunda bahoze ikipe yabo ku mutima. Tinda we batinde we, tinda we batinde we, tinda we batinde, tinda batinde we, tinda we batinde we, tinda we batinde we tinda we batinde tinda tinda batinde dori shaka amacenga ubuhanga ikipe yacu iyo bazamutse baruhu